Hey there, candle enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel where we ignite your passion for business and creativity. In today's video, we are shedding some light on how to sell candles on Shopify and turn your love for fragrances into a thriving online business. Whether you're a seasoned chandler or just starting out, Shopify offers the perfect platform to showcase your handcrafted candles and reach customers around the globe. Now, here's going to be a step-by-step guideline on setting up a Shopify store, including choosing a theme, adding products, and customizing the design. Now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, before you make that hitting on the sales, you need to create your free account here on Shopify if you haven't done so. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you're gonna do is provide an email address, or to simplify the process, you can continue with your email, use your Apple account, you can use your Facebook account, or you can even use your Google account. It's that simple. Now, let me tell you that selling candles on Shopify can be a rewarding venture, especially with the platform's robust e-commerce capability. Now, after setting up your Shopify account, and again, if you haven't already signed up for a Shopify account, you need to choose a suitable plan that fits your business needs and budget. Alright? And again, all you're gonna do is follow the prompts to set up your store, including choosing a store name, domain, and customizing your store's design. Now, the first thing we need to set up after having our Shopify store is creating a product, right? Now here, as you can see in the left side panel of my dashboard, all you're gonna do is hover down to products, and we need to add a new product, or your first product in this instance. Now, adding a new product here in Shopify is very straightforward, or actually adding a product for your first product here in your candle store is very straightforward. You just need to provide the title first, maybe, and just put a short description. Now, the description, you can use a lot of AI tools for that to simplify the whole process. But for now, you might want to put something here. And for the media, you can upload images, videos, or 3D models. It's up to you. Now, there are a lot of platforms that you can use to upload your images. Maybe we try Canva, which is one of the best platforms for you to create your themes or upload new products for your Shopify store. And all we're gonna do is go down here on our design templates, wherein we can use that to our product store. Click on this one right here. And from here, you can go to the left side of your panel to create a lot of templates that you can use here, or simply we can upload the image that we wanted. Now, basically, this is the first step, right? Now, once we are ready with our images to be uploaded to our Shopify store, all we're gonna do is we need to head over to our store and then upload these templates or images that we wanted. And obviously from here, all we're gonna do is click on the upload new. And again, once it's uploaded, you can just set the pricing and a lot more. And then once you've finally put all the information and you are sure that it's all correct, all you're gonna do is click on save. Right? That's gonna be our first product. And then we need to optimize this product as well. Now remember, for a candle store on Shopify, there are several essential apps that can enhance your store's functionality, improve customer experience, and boost sales. Now, the first app that we are going to suggest is an app called Product Options. Just go here in the App Store, and then here, as you can see, click on Global Product Options. Now, when you click on the View Demo Store, this app allows you to create customizable product options for your candles, such as scent option right here, size variations, or packaging choices, because Customers can easily select their preferred options and enhancing their shopping experience and increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Now, you can customize all of these, right? And from here, you can check the pricing if that suits your budget and goals, of course. Now, you can start for the free to install, which would give you 5 option sets since you are just starting your candle store in Shopify. Or if you wanted to scale up, you might want to use the premium, which offers a generous 14-day free trial for $99 a month. And you can have all the essentials in the free plan, plus unlimited variant options, unlimited products, a pause support, condition logic file upload, daytime price add-ons, and more. All right. And all you're going to do is click on the install to your store so you can start working on it. Now, after doing so, you need to go to again to your app store, because remember, for a Kindle store to produce more sales, you need to have customer reviews or good customer reviews, because they are crucial for building trust and credibility for your products and Kindle products. Now, one of the best product reviews that we can suggest is called Yotpo, because Yotpo, well, actually, there's a lot of review apps that you can use, from Trustify, from Judge Me product reviews. They're all good, but I suggest you use Yotpo for a specific store, because we believe that in Yotpo, Yotpo Reviews enables you to collect and display customer reviews and ratings on your product pages. Now, the positive reviews can encourage potential customers to make a purchase, while negative reviews provides valuable feedback for improvement. As you can see, these are the examples of real reviews from real customers, right? It gains confidence from customers that your product is not only trustworthy, you provide a quality product, and of course a customer support that will define you in the long run, right? And again, if you're interested in knowing about the pricing and more information about the Yotpo, they offer a free plan, which you would have all these benefits right here to take advantage of. They start for free, up to 50 monthly orders, with an automatic review request, design emails from templates, reviews moderation, displays reviews on site. They also have a 24/7 chat support, which could be a make or break situation. But if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go for the $15 a month, which has pricing changes based on order volume. But of course, you get to have a Google Rich Snippets, collect photos and videos for the reviews, making it a dynamic product reviews for people to read. You also have access to Google Shopping ads, share reviews to Facebook shops, and the 6,000 plus reviews are more than enough for you to be convinced that Yotpo is one of the best product reviews out there. And of course, if you are drop shipping Kindles, Uberlo or Spocket can streamline your product sourcing process. Now, if you click on the Uberlo right here, now this app will allow you to easily import Kindles from suppliers and automate order fulfillment. You can choose from a wide range of Kindle products to offer in your store without the need for inventory management. And again, you can find, sell, and drop ship, right? It's very easy. And all you're gonna do, if you are interested to know more about Uberlo, you might want to click on the green option right here, join Shopify now. Click on that, and you will be redirected here, for you can have a custom templates all in one and a safe and efficient platform. One of the key features for Uberlo is the free business tools. They have the slogan generator, traffic calculator, profit margin calculator, and a buy ready-made store. Plus, they have a business name generator. So, for example, you're not satisfied with the name of your store, click on the business name generator. All you're going to do is enter a word that you want your business name to include, and just click search, select, and launch. It's that easy. Now, the next app that we wanted to suggest is an app called Shipment Tracking and Notify. As you can see, when you go here, it's one of the best results. Click on that. And all they're gonna do, if you're interested to install Shipment and Tracking Notify, click on this one. But here, it provides tracking order information to your customers that can improve their post-purchase experience and reduce inquiries about shipping status. Because from here, you can monitor order progress and take proactive action in case of delivery delay. And this app automatically sends tracking updates to customers and notifies them of their order's progress, enhancing transparency and customer satisfaction. And again, you have a generous 7-day free trial wherein you can avail the starter pack, which is $9 per month. You can have 200 orders, branded tracking page, a real-time tracking notification. But again, if you're scaling up, you might want to go for the $29 per month. For 1,000 orders, you have an access to branded tracking page, a real-time tracking notification, and a lot more. Now, for the last app that we are going to suggest is an SEO image optimizer. Now, there's a lot for you to choose from, but remember, one of the tips that we are going to share with you is you need to check the an icon called Built for Shopify. That means if your store is powered by Shopify, you might want to click on these apps first, because these are an alternative if they are using a different platform. Now, click on maybe Tiny SEO Image Optimize. Click on that. Now, Tiny SEO Image Speed Optimize is really essential for showcasing your Kindles effectively, because this app optimizes your product images for search engines, helping to improve your store's visibility and attract more organic traffic by optimizing alt tags and file names. Your Kindle products are more likely to appear in search engine results, driving more potential customers to your stores. As you can see, it's really easy right here. Get Tiny IMG app and optimize the image. Now, for the pricing structure, they offer a beginner package for $14 a month. And again, you can get all of these benefits and take advantage of all of these. But if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go for the advanced for $24. But you get some script control, asset preloading, and SEO speed consultation. And as always, these apps can help streamline your operations and enhance your store's functionality, and ultimately contribute to the success of your Kindle business on Shopify. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.